In today's video, I'll show you how to master meeting management in Clickup using templates to streamline planning and execution. Start by opening Clickup and signing in. The easiest method is sign in with Google, which keeps everything connected. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the top corner and click the three-dot menu. From here, choose Templates. Click Browse Templates, then use the search bar to type Team Meeting. You'll see the Team Meeting Management template. Select it to view details. When you're ready, click Use Template. Rename it to fit your team style, then confirm by selecting Use Template again. Your new template is now active, giving you a structured framework to keep meetings consistent, efficient, and focused. Customize it as needed to match your team's goals. And that's it. You've set up meeting management in Clickup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tutorials.